Nokia is just introduced its suite of messaging services, which is essentially email, that's corporate email, personal email IDs, and OVMail. So the business email is IBM Lotus Notes Travelers and Microsoft for Exchange. So those can be synchronized on the Nokia devices directly from the company servers, and that's about 90% of corporate inboxes. The personal email accounts, up to 10 email accounts can be configured on your device and you'll get push mail straight onto the device. We also include OVMail, which is for those who do not have an email account as yet but would like to have one. And in emerging markets, we know that the access to PCs is very, very limited. And that's where OVMail comes in, because it can be configured, used, managed all through the device. You don't need access to a PC for OVMail. So that's where the growth can happen. And on corporate emails, the advantage is that there is no middleware, there's no investments required. The devices sync straight with the existing servers that the company has invested in. For consumers, the service is free. They will get push mail up to 10 email accounts of theirs, and the only cost they incur are the data plans. The biggest benefit is the fact that, one, it's extremely easy to set up, and two, it's extremely easy to use. The user interface is very, very intuitive, where all the emails are configured in one place, so that accessing either the folders within an account or sorting mails, etc., can be done from the same place. And even accessing different accounts is from a simple drop-down arrow on the same window. So there's no signing in, signing out, nothing of that sort. So it offers a service which is free and extremely easy to set up and very easy to use. Currently, it's available on the entire E-Series range, which is E63, E71, E72. It's also available on other Series 60 phones like N97, N97 Mini, 5800 Express Music. But going forward, we will be, because our vision is messaging for everyone, we're going to be making it accessible across our range, including S40 devices. So it'll be available on devices starting from 2,700 rupees.